I just picked up this Masterbuilt cold smoking unit for my Masterbuilt Electric Smoker because I wanted to start cold smoking things like salmon and cheese. And one of the big problems with the Masterbuilt is that you can't really get the low temperatures and at the same time get the combustion temperatures that you need to make that smoke if you want to do cold smoking with cheese and salmon. To get the temperatures that you need to produce that smoke, you kind of go over the temperature limit and your cheese starts to melt and you don't get the low temperatures that you need for proper cold smoking. So that's why I picked this up. Previously, I've been using something called the Mailbox mod, and I'll link that video up here. But basically, I'll show you guys what that is. It's hasn't seen a lot of use, so it's a bit dusty right now. But basically, it's a mailbox with a HVAC tube that fits into the loader tray of the Masterbuilt Electric Smoker. And then I open this up and I put my amazing pellet smoker in here, and that produces the cold smoke without the heat that I've been using to cold smoke. But haven't used this in a while because it's kind of a pain. It's a cheaper option and it's kind of a DIY option, but I wanted to get something that was more durable and just worked better. So that's why I picked this up. So in this video, I'm just going to unbox the slow smoker attachment and I'll show you guys what's inside of it. We can start off by looking at the actual box here. It says on the box that it provides up to 6 hours of continuous smoke without reloading. It easily connects to any Masterbuilt electric smoker, but it doesn't work with the MES 400 series or above, so keep that in mind. Automatically heats wood chips with the push of a button. We'll find out what that means. And it has a removable ashtray for easy cleanup. So sounds pretty simple. Let's open it up. I am gonna open this up with my Havalon. Everyone has a lawn, but not everyone has a Havalon. So we'll cut this off, turn that around. It's got a lot of packaging tape on it because I ordered it to my doorstep, which was very convenient. I think I got it from Home Depot, if I recall correctly. So we've got some packaging material. And the first thing we see is the main smoker unit here. I think I can just pull this right out. Yep. There we go. We got the manual, and that's it. So let's open this up first. Just take this packaging tape off, and we'll take a look at this main smoking unit here. Okay, so we've got an electrical cord, which is good. That's one thing I actually didn't know ahead of time. I didn't do much research on this, and I was wondering how it actually produced the smoke. So it looks like it's kind of a mini Masterbuilt electric smoker that you just plug into the wall, which is awesome. And then it looks like we've got our chip tray or ash tray. And it has a little handle. It's pretty sturdy. It's nice and heavy. And it looks like well built. It's got a nice coating that looks like it's rust resistant. We'll open up this package here. Try not to cut myself. This thing is extremely sharp. Okay, so it looks like we have some hardware. There's this little widget here. I have no idea what that is, but it looks like some sort of handle, potentially. We've got some nuts and bolts for attaching it. We've got this little thing. So what I've heard on the Masterbuilt forums is that this kind of goes in and clips into something and then you cinch it up, but we'll find out later. And then we have a little grate here. I don't know where that goes yet. So let's look at the main casing here. I'm gonna open this up, and this is kind of weird. As you open it up, it looks like there's like a chain here and it's connected to something really heavy, and already this piece of wire here is coming off, so I'm kind of confused about that, but it looks like it just got jammed maybe. All right, so we have something here that looks like it goes inside of the actual unit. I have no idea how this works yet, so I'm super intrigued about this. Let's just get this off here. Okay, so it looks like there's a little chain here that holds this little doohickey on so you don't lose it. and it looks like a cap that you can put on there. So that's interesting so far. We've got another piece of packaging here. There's nothing in that. Our bolts. And then we've got the manual. So I'm gonna take a look at the manual for a second, and then I'll be right back so you guys don't have to look at the manual. Okay, I just took a look at the manual, and it's not very clear actually how this thing is supposed to work or how you're supposed to use it. There's clear instructions on how to assemble it, but not really like how to fill up this thing with the chips and start using it. It does say that to pre-season this, you're supposed to run it for about an hour just to burn off any factory grease first. But from what I read in the manual, the way this works is you put this little grate on the bottom here of this chip tube to stop the chips from dumping all the way through. And then you fill up this tube all the way to the brim with chips. You place the cap back on. This guy goes all the way into the bottom of the cold smoking unit, and there's an electric element on the bottom that is now touching that screen. So the chips are going to be in contact with that element. This thing goes below the element and it captures the chips as they sort of combust and turn into ash, which is pretty cool. So that goes in there. The problem I found is that there's this little wing nut thing that hooks into the chip loader tray of the Masterbuilt Electric Smoker. I'm gonna make another video where I assemble this and attach it to the Masterbuilt Electric Smoker and do the initial burn off and cold smoking process. But right now I've encountered a problem because it looks like there's something missing from this. So I'm gonna have to call Masterbuilt on Monday when I get a chance. But basically, there's supposed to be a bracket right where this little hole is that attaches to the chip loader tray, and that bracket is missing. Usually you'd see a bracket that this thing can hook into, but that's not there. And when I feel around on the inside, I can actually feel like a little kind of tack welding nub where it used to be or where it should have been. So it looks like, you know, someone at the factory just missed this step, or maybe it just broke off and they threw that out before packaging. So that's kind of disappointing. I mean, I've never bought something from Masterbuilt that was missing a piece, but hopefully when I phone Masterbuilt, they will rectify this somehow. Check out the other videos I'm gonna make on this unit. I'm gonna do a video where I tell you how to install this and how to assemble it and do the initial burn off and seasoning. And then I'm gonna do some other videos where I cold smoke some cheese. So check that out. I'll link those in the top left and right of the screen when those videos are done. Happy smoking.